Hi, this is the VIVO T1 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So first, let's open the settings, and after that tap here to the lock screen and wallpaper section, then tap to always on display section. Here you will see the AOD switcher. Just to turn on and turn off of this option we should use the switcher. We could also switch here the off-screen styles. Just let's select for example this one. We could here change the colors of the date and time. Tap to apply. You could use one from this available display themes. Also you could personalize them if you want. We could also to show here notifications from phone, message, Facebook or Gmail apps. To activate and turn off the AOD option, for example for all day, to set the schedule and to move the phone slightly to display it. So this is all of the settings, and you could customize the AOD option just about your preferences. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.